Good morning, class. We are now on quarter 4, lesson 6 of our lesson, and this is entitled Illustrating an Experiment, Outcome, Sample Space, and Event. Let's continue. We are talking about probability. Probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with uncertainty. It is a measure or estimation of how likely an event will occur. And whether we like it or not, probability has many uses in our daily lives. Damo-damo sang mga mapuslan nga statistics ang aton nga ginagamit every day. It's just not, we are not just aware of it. Okay? Wala tag na-emphasize ang word nga probability, pero gapakot-pakot kita. And we usually follow the information about it. Okay? Let me define to you the important things you have to know about probability. We have experiment. Experiment includes activities such as tossing or flipping a coin, rolling a die, or picking a card from a standard deck of cards without looking, which could be repeated over and over again and which have well-defined results. So when you do activities such that, we call it experiment. Next is event. An event is a particular collection of outcomes. You describe it whether you want, whether you want a head nga magwa or a tail in flipping a coin, that's an event. Or gusto mo makakuha sang mga hearts in a standard deck of cards, that's an event. Okay, let me give you examples later. Okay, also we have outcomes. Outcomes are the results of experiments. Okay, so literally kung anong nagwa, amo na siyang outcome. Sample point. A sample point is an individual outcome in the sample space. Ang sample point ang pwede nga magwa. Okay? Next, sample space or probability space. This is a set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. Amo ni sa ang mga posible nga maginuwa or choices mo nga magwa sa imo nga experiment. Okay, let us have this example para mabalaan tagid ang kung ano ang ginamin sa mga defined terms. So we have here a table with experiment, sample space, outcome, sample point, and event. Okay, example experiment is your flipping a coin. Nag-itcha ka bala sang coin, tapos pag itcha mo sang coin mo, ang imo nga sample space or pwedeng magwa sa isa ka coin, ang pwede magwa is a head or a tail. Ang gagwa da bala ang ulo sang bayanita or ang tail da bala ang bulak da. Okay, sa America, yeah, they always know that it's a head or a tail. Ang hari or corona. Ang sample space, ang pwede nga magwa kung mag-flip ka coin. So, pwede nga hari, pwede man corona, or head, or tail in English. Okay, so, outcome. Duwa ka bilog. So, the outcome is the number of possible outcomes. Pila ka bilog ang pwede nga magwa sa pag-flip mo coin. So, duwa. It's either a head or a tail. Next, ang sample point is ang pwede magwa on. Pag sa pag-flip mo coin, nagwa ang head. O, so, ang sample point na tawag. Okay, ang head. Tapos, getting ahead. That's an event. Okay? Or, magwa ang getting a tail. That's an event. Next experiment is rolling a die. Diba, sa hampang nga mahjong, or domino, or snakes and ladder, meron na box, a cube na siya actually, cube. It's a die. Kung isa lang die, kung duwa dice, na, rolling a die. Galing spelling sang die ta, paamugan na iya. Do patay, gid lang a die ha. Okay? So, pag roll mo sang isa ka die, may anom na siya ka faces. So, ang sample space, ano na siya ang anom ka bilog, no? We have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Diba tumukto period na da? Isa ka period, dua ka period, 3 ka period. Ano na siyang sample space. So, ang sample space is 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots, 6 dots. Ang outcome is 6 possible. Anom silang pwede magwa. Ang sample point, ang pag-roll mo sang die, may nagwa nga, sample lang na 2. Oh, so, 2 is a sample point. Ang event naman, getting or rolling an odd number. Okay. So, the event nga mag-roll ka, magwa odd number. That's an event. Okay. Last example, we have flipping a coin, badungan. Flipping a coin and rolling a dice simultaneously. So, itsa ka isa ka coin, ga-roll ka isa ka die. Dungan. The sample space. Anong pwede magwa sa coin mo? Anong pwede magwa sa imo nga die? So, sa coin, syempre, we know it. It's head and tails. Tapos, yung pares-pares na no, rolling a die. 1 head, 2 head, 3 heads, 4 heads, 5 heads, 6 heads, 1 tail, 2 tail, 3 tail, 4 tail, 5 tail, 6 tail. So, yung pares na 1 to 6. Tapos, ang pares niya, nagwa sa coin head. Tapos, sa piyak naman, ng 1 to 6, nga ang pares naman is tail. Hari, corona. So, isipon mo na sila kabilog. Pila na kabilog? 1, 2, 3, 4. The outcome is 8. 8 ka-possible outcomes. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Dapat 12 possible outcomes na di. So, I-change ta. So, I changed it already. The outcome is 12 possible outcomes. And then, pag dungan mo sang flip kag roll a die, may nagwa nga 1 ang number sang die, tapos H or head ang nagwa. So, 1H is a sample point. And, an example event in here is getting an even number and a head. Okay, so, magambal, I want an event nga even number ang sugod sang die kag isa ka head. So, it's 2H, 4H, 6H. O, tatlo ka bilog ang event nga pwede na. Daka mo na balaha. Okay, so I want you to read again the definition and try it on yourself with this activity. 1 to 10. Identify whether the given below illustrates an experiment, event, sample space, outcomes, and sample point. Identify mo siya. Okay, thank you very much. I want you to watch this video again so that you'll learn something more. Thank you.